Minister led Pau Haukiptagi Tribal Affairs and Hills ki portfolio Loktoglaga Naga Furup ki Minister Amada Mahaki portfolio asi PBU Haina Ukrul ADC gi Hanagi member N Wungrayona Chief Minister gi Puning Chingsilakli Hiramasi gi matangda ngasi Manipur Press Club ki Kobru Conference hoda pangtokpa pau gi mifam amada wafamasi fongdokladuna mahakna hai Hauzik chathariba Manipur Legislative Assembly gi session da Chief Minister na caretaker chairman gi kuthangda ADC singda sel thadai haina fongdokiba wafamadu laibak thibane 15 Finance Commission की मखादा तंपाकी होइना अहानबा इंस्टॉलमेंट की सैनफम से थादोख्रबसु एडीसी की अहानबा इंस्टॉलमेंट की लुपा करोड़ यांखै की सैनफम थादोक्तना लेरिबने अहानबा इंस्टॉलमेंट की सैनफम थादोक्तबना मदुगी यूटिलाइजेशन सर्टिफिकेट पीबा ngamdabadagi makha taba sanfam ngasi fauba phangdana leire amaramda manipur gi marisuba finance commission gi makhada kumjali singani kun kunmathoi gi oina ngasi faubada lupa amagi sanfam pirakpa leitre amaramda status gi oina tax lakna balambi ahum lai madude tax stat on tax receipt stat none on tax receipt amade stat share central tax ni haiba tax singa sidagi chada tara Local body amadi ADC singda pigadabani haiba wafam leiribane adubu staron tax receipt ki sanfam khaktamak pirakle haujik chingi oina chakot thaurangi thabaga se maru oina TAN Hills na paibane laibak thibadi hairiba department asigi minister de leifam thopa mafam da leitaba maramna thabak amata ningthina tawba ngamdre maram aduna TAN Hills ki portfolio ase minister lepa haukiptagi lautolaga haujik laingak asida yauriba naga furup ki minister ani asigi manungda mui amada phamsinabiu haina magna Katana Fongdoki.
Ekoi chingi matter city tribal affairs and hills na ayamba paibnina. Ekoi mantri si station da leitamnina. Chingi chaukat thorang paina na khuding makse. Ekoi si sot tharaga lere yaragadi masi shinbio haina han ekoi hairami. Adubu if at all there is any technical problem, shinba ngamoigada wagi adugumba problem leibatarabadi. Ekoi na amuk request okay. Mantri Shindrabsu Yai, Adobo Tribal Affairs and Hills Asigi. Department se, how to get quite chingy Minister Naga Minister Ani Lady Dana. Honorable Minister Oja Kashimo Shum Lady, Honorable Minister Sir Wangbo Lady, Mabani Gida, Amagida, Tribal Affairs and Hills here. Adum cannot be with the career Kaibale, Hypse, machine. Nasi election to Pangtong, and the Dun Levishu. Why? It is because of she presence, mantri presence later will give problem not any about the koi face or a lady. Otherwise, the mantri labagi mathausikam important, my importance. Adum lady haine koi losi.
Paugimi from Adu Dasaru Yaki Bata Menglongi Hanagi ADC member ke Liang Pipo Nahai, ADC Yauna, Tampaki local body singi Mikal Pangtung Naba, Stat Gavinana, Waref Low Krabaso, Stat Election Office Amade, Tribal Affairs and Hills na ISAC da mathau taba thabak paikanaba ISAC da kangan krabasu ngasi fauba tumina leire chingi district singda leiriba ADC tara asige term loibagi matam amata manade maramaduna housing leiriba status gi law and order gi fibam yenglabasu problem leitaba district singi oinade Mikalasi pangthoknaba honabiyo handak pangthokadoriba ADC gi mikalase taruk subo oigadoribane mikal pangthoktana leiba sina miyamgi yaifa thauranga mari leinaba thabak thauram kaya paikhanaba honabada khudongchadaba kaya mayoknare maramaduna athubada mikal pangthoknaba thaurang tobiyu haina mahana makha taki
Autonomous district councils are autonomous in nature. Machine takpadi autonomous district council problem later where people welcome the election masida if permissible state government basu state election commission basu on top of that hill area committee basu problem later district council sing the athubada election pangtho hanba ekoi pamme habisi deliver egi marum mapangsing ex member singni mayam gi on behalf the a masisi su panning mani Maramdi, it is not necessary that all the 6 or 10 autonomous district councils go for election at one go. Maramdi, autonomous district council singsi panhibogumna it is autonomous. Maduna example the Ukrul the Tamenglong the Madugi ADC the Karigamba problem later I think elections should be conducted in all those districts where there are no problems, so that people's rights is not curtailed. Masi a Panning Mani,